To slide edges in Maya, you click an edge and you either go here to transform constraint edge and then slides, or you hold down W, for example, and long click, go here to transform constraints and turn it on or off. You can also have surface slide, which you can slide, but this is on surfaces, for example. You know how this works. Or Maya also has this tool where I go up here and click slide edge, and now I can drag middle mouse button to slide, and it also parts the distances into snapping points for how many you want. So from the edge towards the other edge I'm going towards, it will snap to 3 points. So 1, 2, 3, and the end. That's it for sliding edges in Maya. To slide edges in Max, you select the edges and then go here to edit geometry constraints and select edge. Then you'll be able to slide the edges across the face. You can also slide things across faces, like this foot, for example, or across normals. To edge slide in Blender, you simply select your element and press move twice, as in GG.